Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily play Hotpot Story, my Hotpot Story on PC. So the first thing you want to do is click on the link down below in the description. It's going to be the first link, and then when you're going to have it, you will end up right here to Ldplayer, and you want to click download Ldplayer. When you're going to have it, you want to open Ldplayer, and I already got it installed, so I'll show the installation video right here. So you're going to choose download Ldplayer, you choose where you want to install it, install, accept, and then when you're gonna have it, you want to go to here, home, system app, play store, and click my Hotpot Story, find it, and just click play. And you need to possibly also restart the game, restart the Ldplayer. And my Hotpot Story, and to start playing for you. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.